Hi everybody, Phil here from redchilidigital.com. I hope you're well. I hope you're getting wonderful weather like you can see behind me in Northern Ireland. We don't often get that weather, so hey, I'm outside, I'm enjoying it while we can. So just a quick recap. If you're a business owner, if you have a website, or if you have a Google business profile, it used to be called Google My Business or Google Places, if you're like an old dinosaur like me. If you have any of those digital assets, then you may have been de-indexed by Google. What exactly does that mean? Well, say for example you're on page 1 of Google for digital marketing consultant, for example. Okay, then all of a sudden you typed it in and you're nowhere to be seen, and your Google business profile no longer appears on the Google 3-pack, as I call it, the top 3 results, which is where you want to be, hint hint. So you're no longer indexed. Well, that will probably be as a result of a major fire at the Google data center in Iowa, and unfortunately 3 people were injured. So I hope they're pulling through okay. But it was a major fire, and it resulted in a lot of websites and a lot of Google business profiles being de-indexed. So the bottom line is, don't panic. Okay, they will be re-indexed at some stage. I don't know when, obviously, but hopefully it won't be too long. Okay, so again, don't panic. If you see one of your websites dropping off, it's no longer where it used to be. Hey, it will get back there. It will get back there. It's just whenever Google gets their data back into their other data centers and updates all the data, uploads it to their servers. Okay, so that's it for today. Just a quick short video. Hope you found it useful. Any other tips and tricks, if you just visit redchilidigital.com. And hey, if you want to join my free digital marketing mastermind, where I share all sorts of tips, tricks, and a few secret nuggets that I've built over the past 15 years, then send me a direct message, and I'll send you a wee link to my Facebook group where we just share lots of stuff, which hopefully you'll find useful. So have a great day. Enjoy the great weather if you're having some. If not, sad face. Okay, take care. Bye.